Hi, I'm Penelope.
And my name is Sofia, and today we are going to be making s'more pops. The inspiration of the s'more pops is this cute little lip smacker bear, which the flavor of it is s'more, and the name of it is
Hibernate S'more. This little bear is part of the Lip Smacker Lippy Pals.
And it's really cute, so go get it. So let's get to making the s'more pops. These are the ingredients we need to make the s'more pops. The first thing you need are these jumbo-sized marshmallows and melted chocolate.
The next things you need are toppings. Well, you definitely need graham crackers to make it a s'more pop, and if you really want to be crazy, you can add some sprinkles. And then you need these sticks. And if you don't have these sticks, you can use straws or skewers.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is get my marshmallow and get whatever tool you need to, and then just stick it into your marshmallow nice and secure.
Next, you dip your marshmallow into the chocolate and make sure to get it all over the sides so that the toppings will stick really well. And if you need help, use a spoon or whatever tool.
Have it nice and secure.
And next, let the excess chocolate fall off. After that, you dip it into whatever toppings, and we prefer you to do graham crackers.
Because what's a s'more without graham cracker?
And then you should use a spoon to help get the topping all over the sides.
Hey, if you want, you can also add some sprinkles. Do you want sprinkles?
Yeah. Once you have all your toppings on the marshmallow, place it onto your wax paper and let it dry for a few minutes. And then after, you can eat it.
And when you're done, don't forget the most important part, to eat them.
Oh, that was all over my mouth. This is really good.